Python dictionary from an object's fields. Do you know if there is a built-in function to build a dictionary from an arbitrary object? I'd like to do something like this. Note, it should not include methods, only fields.
Note that best practice in Python 2.7 is to use new-style classes, not needed with Python 3, i.e. Also, there's a difference between an object and a class. To build a dictionary from an arbitrary object, it's sufficient to use _dict_. Usually, you'll declare your methods at class level and your attributes at instance level, so _dict_ should be fine. For example, a better approach, suggested by Robert in comments, is the built-in vars function. Alternatively, depending on what you want to do, it might be nice to inherit from dict. Then your class is already a dictionary, and if you want you can override getAttrand or setAttr to call through and set the dict. For example,
instead of x._dict_, it's actually more Pythonic to use vars x.
The dir built-in will give you all the object's attributes, including special methods like _str_, _dict_, and a whole bunch of others which you probably don't want. But you can do something like So can extend this to only return data attributes and not methods, by defining your props function like this.
I've settled with a combination of both answers.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.